what's good? It's your boy Will, back in the building with another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's good? Give me some dap. If you enjoy content like this, maybe consider hitting subscribe and being part of the family, because we would love to have you here. Today we got a really dope video. We're going to be checking out a new desk accessory from Grovemade. Grovemade just released their new matte color series when it comes to colors of their desk shelves. Previously, you could only purchase this in natural materials such as walnut or maple. I already have some products from Grovemade in my setup. Grovemade was kind enough to send me out their matte white desk shelf for me to show off in this video and install in my setup. And I am actually really excited about this. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the brand new matte white desk shelf from Grovemade, and I'm also going to share my thoughts with this model versus the older model. Let's go ahead and unbox the brand new Grovemade desk shelf. Let's go. All right, here we go. Full box right here, and I didn't even realize how big this is. I will say this definitely feels like they wrapped this up pretty good. I'm actually very excited about this. I've always wanted to have this desk shelf in matte white. Ooh, okay. Here's the directions of how to assemble this. And they didn't give me a handwritten note. Wait a minute. They normally give a handwritten note. Grovemade, y'all slacking. I see there is 2 screws here. I wonder what the 2 screws are. Here is your natural cork pieces right here. So you got one piece, it's like a half a piece one, and another one for the other side. Well, here is the tray, the actual shelf itself, and this is a matte finish as well. It feels like it's made of aluminum, so high quality, I guess. So here is the actual top for the desk shelf. All right, we're gonna go ahead now and assemble this, put this together. I am dropping stuff everywhere. I'm spilling water now. Pause. To put this together, you're going to take the 2 leg cork pieces and slide it in on both ends of the metal sheet. You will then take the smaller cork support and align with the holes of the metal sheet and of the desk shelf. Once you align the holes up, you're going to take the 2 provided screws to screw into the desk shelf. This is the desk shelf right here. It looks really dope, especially with the matte white finish. I really love that I can still see the natural cork material and the aluminum metal part. It feels real solid. This is the current setup with the maple plywood desk shelf from Grovemade. Insert the new dude in town. This is the white matte version. Putting these side by side, what I do notice is the matte white version is slightly higher. The Grovemade desk shelf provides an ergonomic lift for monitors and extra space to store additional gadgets in your workspace, and is suited for most modern work configurations with a clean and minimalistic look. Here is a size diagram for measurements. Quick side-by-side comparison between the older version of the Grovemade desk shelf and the matte white new version. You can see a slight difference when it comes to shelf orientation. On a newer version of the desk shelf, the middle shelf goes throughout the entire desk shelf. Another thing that I noticed is the tray size. The size of that tray fits in perfectly. The newer version is a little small compared to that, so that makes me wonder. Another thing I noticed with this desk shelf is it only can go in one orientation. Since the back of the aluminum is made with a curve preventing things from falling off, you're not able to set this up in the opposite direction. Another good thing to notice is how with this model, everything is aluminum, which is a harder surface versus the older design, which was this carpeted material. I would prefer the carpet material because it was softer and I felt like my gadgets were more protected. One design feature I love on the new design is the back lip, which is going to prevent you from accidentally tossing anything off of the top shelf. It looks really dope in my setup, especially going with my white Alex drawers and the new white topping of the desk shelf. Of course, you have ample space to store things like books and iPads and pretty much any little gadget that you desire. This desk shelf is very modern when it comes to this white matte finish, and the silver aluminum is a really nice touch to any gaming room or desk setup that's kind of going for that modern minimal vibe. I really do love that they chose to keep the cork the natural material instead of like painting it. On pictures online, there is a tray that fits the size of this space right here, so I'm assuming that they made a new tray. Okay, so a quick update. I did receive the new desk tray, and what I've noticed is it is slightly bigger than the predecessor. This is what the new one looks like in position, and it still has a little bit of wiggle room. It slides pretty good because you got the cork material at the bottom, and it's just sliding on the metal. This silver is matching this silver as well, so you got that feng shui going on. You're gonna have these little cutouts right here, so this is obviously gonna be good for like stationary items like pens and pencils and stuff, SD cards, and yeah, you get the point. All right guys, that is it with this video. I gave you the whole rundown on the new matte white desk shelf from Grovemade. I even compared it with its predecessor, the maple finish version that I had previously. So the only con I really got with this is the space is very limited. Now I do understand that this was designed for someone who needed things at their desk like notebooks, books, things of that nature. Only a select few things can actually fit on this desk shelf, so that's just something to keep in mind. Since we got this now, I can't wait for the matte white desk shelf. Come on Grovemade, hook us up with the matte white desk shelf. I know y'all got them. I need that to go with my setup. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, learned something. If you're interested in any Grovemade products, please use my link down in the description. It is an affiliate link. It will give you a small discount, and it'll give me a small commission in return with no extra cost to you. I greatly appreciate that. Every little bit helps out this channel, and it helps me to continue making videos just like this one. Thanks again Grovemade. I really do love my new matte white desk shelf. Really fitting the feng shui inside of the studio here. With all that being said guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave your boy a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and remember guys, never stop creating. Deuces. Grovemade is dropping some new colors for their desk shelves, including the all black In this video, we're gonna be unboxing and setting up the Grovemade matte white. There you have it, the new white. There you have it, the new white matte white.